Even the most seasoned grill masters know that it can be a challenge to entertain and keep an eye on the grill. That's why I use my Ninja Woodfire Pro outdoor grill with built-in thermometer, so I can easily sit back, relax, and enjoy the party knowing that my food will be perfectly cooked. Let me show you how to use the built-in thermometer. First, remove the thermometer from the holder and plug the thermometer into the jack on the right side of the control panel. Then, insert the thermometer horizontally into the thickest part of your meat. Be sure that you don't insert your thermometer vertically or at an angle, because that can affect the readout. Also, if your meat has a bone in it like this does, make sure that you don't hit the bone and try to avoid any of the gristle or fat. Add the food with the thermometer inserted and close the hood over the cord to begin cooking. When you close the lid, it's okay to close it on the wire. Just make sure that you don't close it on the grip, because that could cause your thermometer to shift around in the meat. Then select your cooking function, your cooking temperature, your protein type, and your desired level of doneness. For this pork shoulder recipe, I'm going to set the grill to smoker, then I'm going to set the temperature to 250 degrees, I'll press manual, and set an internal doneness temp of 203. For other recipes, just hit preset instead of manual to display all the different protein and doneness settings available. The progress bar in the display screen will track the food's doneness throughout cooking, so you don't have to. When cooking's almost complete, the grill will beep and say done, which means you can remove your food from the grill. When you're cooking smaller pieces of meat like chicken breasts or pork chops on your Ninja Woodfire Pro outdoor grill, once you're done cooking, leave that thermometer in. It's going to account for some carryover time of about 3 to 5 minutes to deliver perfect doneness. If, on the other hand, you're cooking something larger like a pork shoulder, take it off the grill, remove the thermometer, and let it rest for about 45 minutes. That's going to ensure maximum juiciness. Just like this. Wow, doesn't that look good? With the built-in thermometer, the Ninja Woodfire Pro outdoor grill makes it easy to grill, smoke, air fry, you name it. That way you can enjoy more of your backyard barbecue. Be sure to check out ninjawoodfire.com for tips, tricks, this recipe, and so much more.